All right, we're out here with Jon Bortles, the second generation owner of Woody's Wood-Fired Pizza in downtown Golden here. How are you this morning, Jon?
Doing great, thanks.
Good. Hey, so we noticed that you have a patio enclosure here, and just wanted to ask you a few bit because there's really not a lot of information out there on patio enclosures, and you being a restaurant owner, how many systems did you look at before you decided which direction you wanted to proceed with?
So over the course of the last 28 years, we've really looked at a lot of options and hadn't chose any of them because we never found the right fit. And then with COVID and the limited seating, we really had to make a decision very quickly. So we finally decided to reach out to you guys and found something that worked.
Good deal. Was there any particular parts or elements to this system that made you believe this is the direction that was right for you?
Yeah, so we've seen other people in town use the roll-up systems, and you see them, they look great when they're first installed, and then very quickly they deteriorate. So we weren't really interested in that product. So finding something that was a fixed panel, something that could be put up season by season and not really degrade in quality over the years was really the deciding factor.
And as far as the budgets of this particular system, how did it compare to the other systems with the ropes and the zippers that you're referring to?
It was really a good value for us. I think for what we got, it was definitely in the same ballpark.
And now that you've had use of this a little bit, what are some of the features that you find are the biggest advantages to this system?
Yeah. Well, I mean, as you know, Kirk, the weather in Colorado can change, within a few minutes. So we've had a snowstorm or, snowing like it is today, put the panels up, turn the heat on, and then by the afternoon, sun comes out, drop the windows, and just keep it comfortable, all day long.
Well, and that was the whole premise is trying to build something that was at a moment's notice. You could go with the wind. You know what's the old saying in Colorado? If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes.
That's exactly right.
So. And as far as just the experience from start to finish with Four Seasons, the communication, the follow-up, design, the fabrication, kind of give us your thoughts on what you thought they did there.
So, the team was great from beginning to end. There was a very obvious attention to detail and pride in the craftsmanship that I really appreciated. Communication was great. They understood that we were in a hurry and that our business and our livelihoods depended on, putting this as a priority, and that's really what happened. And then we've just been really impressed with the quality. Like I said, this was not a one-size-fit-all project. This is something that was designed and custom built to our space and our needs that really worked out well.
And I know you've dealt with Four Seasons on a couple of projects now. Would you work with them again on anything?
Absolutely, yeah. You'll be getting a call from me very shortly.
Well, I appreciate it very much. Thank you for the time this morning. And again, if you guys are ever out in Golden, right after you get done with the tour that's so famous out here and you have your 2 free beers, come on over here to Woody's, and hopefully the buffet will be open by then.
That's right.
I was born and raised in Golden, and I can tell you I've eaten at the buffet many a time, and it is absolutely amazing. So thanks, Jon. Have a great day.
Thanks, Kirk.